Hello everyone, this is the Home Language Center and you are the students of this institution, and Alhamdulillah, as you know very well that today it was the session of interviewing. Some of the people asked the question, some of the people answered the question, but now here those people will be here who will be asked the question, and inshallah on the spot they will answer this. And first of all, in your clapping I would like to call Fatima here. Please clap for Fatima. Today we have very special guest appearance. Her name is Miss Fatima. So I would like to say that she is very a brilliant student, and she has recently joined us, and she had been learning English for a long time, you can say that, but now you will listen to her speaking power. And I would like to request you, please clap for Miss Fatima once. Thank you Miss Fatima for giving us your precious time. So I would like to ask this question that tell me about yourself first.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am very well, and you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's great.
So my name is Fatma. My father name is Anwar Ahmad, and my caste is Awan. I belong to Miyawali family, and I passed my intermediate, and now I am learning English language.
You are learning English language.
Yes.
That's very good. So it means that now you are here for just learning English. Learning English.
Yes.
So if I ask you any kind of question, so will you be able to answer me or not?
Yes, I will.
Okay. So my first question is, now you are here. I am giving you a situation that you are here for a job interview.
Okay.
Have you applied somewhere for
No,
doing job?
not yet.
You said now you are a teacher, so you
Yes.
went to the school that you showed your intentions. I am here for just teaching. So can you ask me any kind of question? So I will answer you. Okay. My first question is that, how did you hear about this position? For example, now I am the school owner,
Yes.
and you are the teacher, and you have applied in my school for teaching the students. So can I ask this? How did you hear about this position that the vacancy is empty here in this school?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I am the active user of Facebook app. I am the active user of Facebook app, and one day I was using Facebook, and then I saw about your company. You posted about your job, and you gave vacancies about this job, and then I applied there, and today I am here in front of you for the interview.
That's very great. So how much salary did you expect from me that I would pay you?
Sir, my demand is 40,000. If you can.
40,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, according to your talent, we will decide
Yes, sir.
later that.
Okay, sir.
Are we able to pay you 40,000 rupees or not?
Okay, sir.
So can I ask you about your qualification, Ms. Fatima?
Yes, sir. I passed my intermediate, and now I will take admission in university.
In university?
Yes.
So in which field you would like to choose?
Sir, I am in medical field.
You are in medical field.
Yes.
So why did you choose this faculty?
Because, sir, it's my keen. I like medical. That's why.
That's why.
Yes, sir.
So from which university would you like to apply?
Allama Iqbal Open University.
Allama Iqbal Open University.
Yes.
That's great to hear, Ms. Fatima.
Thank you.
Okay, we will proceed further to our next question.
Okay, sir.
Why do you want to teach the students? It's been so boring that the teachers, they get bored. They are unable to teach their students. The students do not understand the teacher. So why do you want to do this job?
And because, sir, first of all, it's my keen, but I really like to teach children, and I want to become an English teacher. And because I really like English, I really like to speak English, and that's why I want to talk about the English to the children.
Okay, that's great. But what happens if any student misbehaves with you? What will you do then? A teacher, she must know how to handle the class. Yeah.
Yes, sir. First of all, I will learn him, and then I will say that you shouldn't do like that. And if he don't understand, so then I will call his parents and talk with them.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ms. Fatma, for coming here, and you have given us your priceless time, and you have shared your priceless views with us, and we are very glad to have you here. Thank you so much. Please clap for Ms. Fatma. Thank you so much.
So the next, there is a nice person in among us, so I would like to call Mr. Salman. Clap for him, please. Yes, please. How are you, Salman?
I'm fine.
And what's going on in your life nowadays?
I find a job.
Okay, Salman, tell me about yourself first.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Salman. My father's name is Gulam Sarwar, and I belong to Bahawalpur. I live in Karachi. Nowadays, I complete my graduation from Karachi University. and today I am here for giving you an interview.
Okay. So the Salman, without the wasting the time, I am going to ask you that. How did you hear that about this position?
I am always active on Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube. My friend sent me a link. Your company. I opened the link and I applied for a job, and then you called me.
What is your greatest professional achievement?
My greatest professional achievement is I get first position in first year and third position in second year.
Okay.
That's my greatest.
So how many experience do you have in this field?
I have a lot of experience.
Where did you work first?
I worked first in Qasim Textile.
In Qasim Textile. So what was the post?
I am manager.
You are the manager. In managing, directing.
Yes.
So you can manage the people, you can manage the work easily.
Yes, I.
So what's your experience? How many years have you done this?
I have got a lot of experience in this field.
So now are you doing a work with some kind of companies?
Yes.
So tell me, what is your current salary?
My current salary is 1 lakh rupees.
1 lakh. It's your current salary.
Yes.
Or it's a huge amount. You are very rich person, absolutely.
Yes.
Are you?
Normal. I'm normal.
Tell me, if we hired you, what do you expect from us?
I expect 2 lakh rupees salary.
2 lakh. But it's a huge amount. For getting this salary, tell me first, what's your expertise and other expertise in your field?
My expertise is I manage all works.
You can manage all work in this field.
Yes.
At the post of managing director.
Yes.
So, and tell me, if you talk about your dream job, so what will you select?
My dream job is to work in your company because your company is the greatest company, is the biggest company in Karachi.
Sorry, I beg your pardon that. I can repeat please. I can't hear you.
Your company is the biggest company in Karachi.
Alhamdulillah.
It's my dream to work in your company.
So, what I expect from you? What I expect, are you growing our company? You will be loyal with ourselves, with us. So, what I expect from you?
I share my ideas. I have a lot of ideas, and I share with you. And I try to grow your company more.
So, I can believe that you will be grow our company. You will be loyal with us.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Inshallah, we will let you know that if you are selected.
Okay, sir.
Very thank you.
Okay, so we will go furthermore ahead. As you listen to Miss Fatma, she was presenting her views, and I really appreciate her efforts, her tireless efforts that she presented her ideas with us. And now our next special guest we have right here on our hot chair. I would like to invite in your huge clapping Miss Zeenat. Yes, Miss Zeenat. She is also a very brilliant student, and we know, yeah, have a seat please. Thank you so much for coming here. And now we will have the interview session with Miss Zeenat, and I would like to ask her that how did she learn and how did she improve her English. So may I ask you some questions, Miss Zeenat? Okay, tell me first about yourself. How are you? How are you feeling right now in front of the camera? You are being interviewed by me. I am taking your interview. How are you feeling right now?
I feel better. I feel better.
That's great.
Yes,
So would you mind if I ask you any kind of questions?
Yes, sir.
So firstly, Zeenat, tell us that why do you want to improve your English?
Because it is very important for us, and it provides us knowledge, and I can learn English. If I can learn English, so I can face
Face the problem.
Yes,
That's
sir.
very great. So can you tell me about your talents? What kind of talents, hidden talents you have? Like singing, naat, like reading books, like translating, like playing golf, playing cricket, or any other talent you have? Like singing, dancing, and any other?
singing, dancing, and reading naats, and I cook food.
So what do you want to become in your life?
I would like to become a doctor.
You would like to become a doctor. Is there any special reason behind that?
Because it is my keen and I like doctors.
You like doctors?
Yes, sir.
For example, if there is a person who is a doctor and he is treating the dog, would you like him or not?
No, sir.
No, means that you don't like the animal doctors. You like just human doctors.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Okay, Zinat, may I ask you about hospitality? What is hospitality?
I know about hospitality a little bit. The guests are the blessing of God, and we should serve the guests, and we should chat them and sit them, and I should be care them, and
That's great. For example, if Imran Khan is your guest at your home, so how would you serve him? How will you, serve him? What will you serve him? What will you make especially for him?
first of all, I serve those things which are available in my home, or otherwise, and I bring some things for outside.
You will bring something from outside
Yes,
for
sir.
him. So if he is at your home, will you be happy or not? If Imran Khan comes at your home, will you be happy or not?
Yes, I am happy.
You will be happy. Why?
Because it is a famous personality of the country.
He is the famous personality of the country.
Yes, sir.
Not famous personality, he is the Prime Minister of the Pakistan.
Yes, sir.
Many other countries know him very well that he is the PM of Pakistan.
Yes, sir.
So do you like Imran Khan as a politician or as a cricketer?
I like Imran Khan as a cricketer.
As a cricketer, he is very good. Okay, Zinat, just suppose that you are here for job interview. So can you just let me know that why should I hire you in my company?
I am a honest and hard worker. I am intelligent and wise worker.
Good.
And I can face all kinds of problem. If I have any problem, so I can find the solution of this problem and solve this problem. And in my thing, you will hire. If you hire me, it will be very beneficial for you.
Very beneficial for you.
Yes,
And
sir.
what about for my company? So if I hire you here, will my company grow or not?
Grow.
It will grow. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss Zinat. She was Miss Zinat and she was presenting her ideas. Please clap for Miss Zinat. She has given us the precious time. Thank you so much for being with us.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to all of you. Today we have a very special guest. He is a very famous cricketer. He is an all-rounder. So in your huge appreciation, I would like to call Mr. Adnan. Clap for Adnan. Yes, you may. Walaikum salam. Adnan, how are you? How do you feel here?
I feel better.
You feel better here?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about your cricket career.
My cricket career. Sir, first of all, my name is Adnan and my belong is Naranga Khan. Nowadays, I live in Karachi and my cricket career is very bad because, sir, I face is very famous mushkilat, because,
Okay.
sir, I start the cricketer of leagues. Some, yeah, just
Okay, what's your favorite cricket league in the world?
in the world. My favorite cricket league is Pakistan Super League.
Pakistan Super League. Okay. Is there any special thing in Pakistan Super League?
Yeah,
What's the special thing?
because my special thing, Pakistan invite the famous cricketer in our country because of them.
Try to
Pakistan
speak loudly.
not is safe country. Is then Pakistan is good provide.
According to you, Pakistan is not a safe country.
Yeah,
So why the foreign players come in Pakistan and play here?
because of Pakistan nowadays some matches in Pakistan. So any cricketers, but for foreign countries cricketers is come Pakistan.
Okay. Do you want to tell me something about IPL, Indian Premier League?
Yeah.
Tell me something. Okay, please tell
Yes, sir. Indian Premier League, yani IPL, is very good league in world. Is first league, better league because, sir, it is very rich league. India is very rich and he can provide very facilities and he can provide very good things for cricketers.
That's great. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me that how much money do you demand to play a cricket league? How much money do you demand?
I sir.
Yes, I'm talking about you.
I think 5 lakh rupees.
You
One
earn 5 lakh rupees
for
to play a cricket league.
yeah.
Are you a great hitter or not? Can you hit long sixes?
I think no.
No, you can't hit a six.
No.
Is there any specific reason behind it?
Yes, sir.
Why? What's the reason?
Because sir, I not do long
Why
sixes.
you can't hit sixes?
Because sir,
Cricket is very fast nowadays. Everybody
Yeah.
wants sixes and fours. And if you can't hit sixes, so nobody will love you.
but sir, I like slow cricket. I like test cricketer. So
How will you prove yourself in front of others that I am a good cricketer and I have lots of talent? How can you prove?
sir, we can prove.
How?
We play good cricket, and we help some cricketers. We nowadays play some leagues, IPL and BBL and Pakistan Super League. So we can prove.
Okay. Do you want to say something about the current song of PSL 6? Did you listen?
Yeah.
Did you hear?
No, sir.
Groove Mera, the name of the song.
No, I don't listen.
Why?
I
Okay, what do you like to sing a song for PSL? Ali Zafar or Asim Azhar or anybody else?
as Ali Zafar
Ali
said.
Zafar, do you like Ali Zafar?
Yeah.
Okay, so clap for Mr. Adnan. He spoke very well. As you all know that today we held an interview activity and everybody spoke very well. They spoke very brilliantly and outclassed, and their confidence was on the peak. In this beginner level, in this initiating level, if you all students are aware of the interview, so it will be very beneficial and fruitful for you in your future. And it's the moment of pleasure for the teachers when the students speak like that, speak with fluency. And inshallah, if we will held these kind of activities in future as well, and it will be very fruitful for you all. Thank you very much.